Now the current trending issue are elbow power Ghana ho a hini internet no so and say the viewers are more sure Okatakyie no fake viewers and they share for the records. These are the current trending issues are hini all over the internet. But then some people say emu no kura anything. And some no kura sam. The Benya Bocheni are digest a seven grading and the papa near my memoir a jar abe for case internet issue cover or wanted terminologies no ABS. No, I mean, Chama Sekaka. You can't say fake viewers are fake viewers. Ejina Homa, almost share platform B to say BNC, K1ng Ghana, now Okatakyie and Kevin Taylor, and you need 10,000 almost share. Likes no kwa a bear 3,000 people and I like that particular post no. Now ye be komono likes no nipa name a computer na genuity. And I say viewers no more motion a computer and a genuity. And then your friend say what fake views and I say fake A viewers. Most of the countries are on the internet once every week. Say a bossy and protected the cyber data no every week per month for ta it me bovrem we use a month for profile. It is our bonny way pa India and Vietnam ne Mongolia to a bit of fake views a whole nipan ye who say one more share that particular platform. Na ene ye betin komoni abovrem say e sa na ato Okatakyie ana say enye sa na ato Okatakyie. Now listen to this very carefully. In less than 24 hours, and at the NDC among the Kunum, including Kevin Taylor name, we're having a conference online virtual meeting on how we'll meet me attacking for the records. Okatakyie Afrifa Mensah. Now, one thing about Kevin Taylor, they be Okatakyie catching is with Jimmy and say, how many near meeting here? On only case of Friday and tomorrow, no, I bet can one thing, but in the console anymore, he feels so powerful to the extent, say, none even if he's there and come up here, and so I bet can put a K1ng in Siaza. No, I can't try. So he used his platform to channel some of the points in the meeting now we're discussing against Okatakyie Afrifa. He be develop how some fake viewers were whom commanding in a baby a sassy in a free. There was a signal. Enra Kevin Taylor to one thing. Let's maintain it. Meaning the moment I move who said NDC food soldiers. We bet 3,000 and last year I may expose you woman. Sir, oh, there me ya. See the news before me use almost sa. You know, before ni bia eja omuni ejuma papa bia yesa. Ja fa be 3,000 bi any for be 3,000 bi. Ah ye wo ye mo 300 series 400 series every month bia for doing nothing just say and sama e wo internet so e fa NDC who number discrediting by using insults and the whole lot of things. It will make me a positive video now try and find now 3,000 way back who be the kind of video no sell link into that Telegram platform and was a platform now sanko for you man ya bought more power to do these things on the internet no e ko to first and you comment how benya will post to nothing in aye till say another party cognitive human being from Ghana behu one year sa full soldier CB no so betray nyansa sem na abe counter wo and so on the media they say no a bash to a bash a pound for pound and a cost on the internet now shade wa hapa and then Okatakyie Afrifa ebe cho sade we to air for the records about 9 hours ago and obecho say they can't attack the message tipa so let's discredit the platform Okatakyie ebe cho sade we how modern. But this was the moment I know Okatakyie realized say and Kofu being sabotage for the records no program no by inciting fake viewers there. Now and commonly too, we see a bit detail how some fake viewers we in a SRC. And commonly too, the other kind of say NDC photo fake viewers at the try Kevin Taylor an account on the first to see say without having access to Kevin Taylor main platform no, or meeting me at top fake viewers a man one. While they were pondering on how to sponsor the show, they sent a bear viewers now currently article on Facebook a bit me a master bill. That is when I obey one more meeting, but raising the concerns. Sasani bear dia. Why not see a debe call Okatakyie Afrifa show ni sumum and fake viewers we person Thomas Kevin Taylor. Me some make da no me approve. Then why not say some fake viewers we instead of say a better pushy Kevin Taylor and you better to discredit. For the records. And say a top Emma Okatakyie Afrifa. Ne ya babontin through Kevin Taylor platform na be K1ng Ghana for say Okatakyie use fake views. Now to have access to Okatakyie's Facebook account is something that is very difficult because any authentications are protecting the security very very high. Any sadia mommy try Kevin Taylor account Brian G the records logins to Kevin Taylor account and Kevin Taylor accepted say, okay the fake viewers need me work on my platform Abraham family logins then it means they work Okatakyie Afrifa until they concluded by testing air with all due respect loud silence media of Kevin Taylor with this approach. Now, me share after Okatakyie posted this is how the signal started from Kevin Taylor with all due respect platform. Obe post to Sadiwi, everyone maintain one of the series. About to be in the meeting that we had, we go to say me expose and echina because I didn't know me funny I send crowd group you know. When you bobo banko madwanika wo de abufu hwa me awana utratie wan wabɔ dam ha utra metina ha ne ache bunyansa de bia me say ye be pile some evidence be one after the other one ya utre enko ba bia be din komo hwehwe bi what ase now obe postu saade we no say let's maintain, you know, everyone maintain, meaning obusa omo say my ready ada modin no ma maintain edin ya de be ma mo Telegram ho no Vietnam ne Mongolia fo din no ma maintain on your platforms ana. This was a signal too. The food soldiers 3,000 one. Ye three omo kabosumi bia. So muntim wo internet no. Now the ebe mo hu nsam ya me kan mu ntiemu pa ye di. Apostle Sadie we ye the next thing Kevin Taylor posted was this post to remind them another information. Said, how do we call Ghanaians living in Vietnam, Philippines, Mongolia, and Taiwan? Everything that you are seeing here was something that Kevin Taylor posted far before. And sana enkomo say Okatakyie top fake views in the say far even before that you be baby and some no so what in say. Now, why did Kevin Taylor posted this? The name that you are seeing here, the country that you are seeing here, was another signal to tell them say any name that you are going to use, the NDC food soldiers, don't forget. Say Vietnam din ye kwa ko use, Philippines din ye kwa ko use, people of Mongolia and Taiwan din ye ba ko use. So this was a highlight of the meeting they had in secret. We see be pie we ni ba ko. No I had wa. See you do born naturally. Oh, you're more there, born. Because we move the fear dear term. And come on, we no Telegram meeting, asking the boy, dear, the man who say, Uncle, you know, Facebook or Chin Hong Kong, every crowd make us any refi. And so Kevin Taylor posted again an hour after reminding them the country. And also with the names they are supposed to use. Everything that is happening, I make catch you now was far before and Sana. And come on, say Okatakyie top fake views, neighbor, far even before that. This is a shadow meeting. Kevin Taylor foolishly is giving the highlights on his platforms. And do you think say a surprise say after these things hours later and then commercial say Boba say Okatakyie viewers no or we fake. Now the same country now Kevin Taylor let's say here Philippines, Vietnam, Mongolia, Taiwan and one almost share Okatakyie free. You think say a coincidence? Now another thing after these names are Kevin Taylor, they better to and so any call Kevin Taylor on one platform one year share. Says a day Kevin Taylor actually go the platform what and then a man for the tag Okatakyie so top fake views. You be who more Kevin Taylor platform one now. I got very interesting. You be back who because almighty me to the sense they forgot. Say if they change their names. These same names are here claims almost Okatakyie. They will reflect in the data of Kevin Taylor. And the surprising thing is say Kevin Taylor posted video. Now say only 2.9 thousand likes, about 2,000 of them. The fake viewers and these same people. I'll barely still with it. Now me sure say who follow the conversation. Who follow. Now from the Friday. Had been watching Commander C. This is a screen record. It follow the timeline na course will screen this sweeper. It Kevin Taylor account when you from. So this is when he posted the kind of names they are supposed to use in a sense. Say what this guy's a conversation, you know. They said they were TBB about a certain conversation being a watcher. So I can when you na enkomo a foul Okatakyie hono enyambomba. Me enko. This is a tactical conversation. My son na screen record. Na kwasi bia be gina wan ka say fake edited debi. Screen record you be intimi the screen record. What I say and I wish send a landscape crowd no ye. But when himself phone I record BBC I say na abegyano. I know we be so clear information I clear yanko from near radio. It na count me I no betro here that is the kind of countries indirectly to say what kasawa bebumu to remind the NDC food soldiers the countries they are supposed to use their names. Now yanko from ha it I no betro say everyone maintain na ha common one. So I had the first signal. It's a boss train year pa. All the number of likes. It's just our post we are seeing. On Kevin Taylor posted here 2.9 thousand likes. Now that 2.9 thousand likes we be boom. Near more like here Kevin Taylor post we. And it's for me Jimmy. On we meeting no. Omu nim ni papa bia o mo de be fa ne so ama ensem no credibility etimia bemu. Omo lose some credibility. Now omo the amount way. Sometimes no your video no abeka me, we me, and this is say muda me say MPP. You see, the abeka tie no abeka ni ndawani. He leaked the information. Na enyam bomba ye say Okatakyie is fake viewers na far before and sign come on air boba bet. He clarified further. In the right Kevin Taylor post with him. That is with all due respect, verified page. Now your hand the lights. Na K1ng Ghana. The expose so much so much. Now I heard you. Ya be bosso, ya boss wa ha. On our red bina at the hall. Our red no air direct say. Ya but say na shadi. Our red no air say. The 2.9k likes no. Woman na ye be show mo hai. It share the 2.9k likes no womu di no. So mu di ha de. Won say yes scroll for mu bia. We di no hu. Lin chong ho. Kong chong kong. Chin chan chai. Tai kong ho. Ni my why. Ye dey na san ko fo we. And Kevin Taylor. It is so sad to the extent that almost Sazumebre and some of them Obaswa. They say the part I'm here in the screen record because me go in the screenshot to because why editing. Obu how boni dini so utimu se anti man samba pa wati amyan kwanta. Otulonguru. Otimo. Ghana ni pa no asesa ni di. Some of them are the fake viewers, but some of them are real Ghanaians. Almost say account nichia. One more follow the signal say maintain. One more say we didn't have time here. They were me go for. Now we can be. They say and come very interested. Share aquaria are about the ins you shadow. We also free set tire was a deal so free him for him for one their car. When they ain't find some part when you're Ghana and you're free. We had to also near her. There are more to expose, so we don't have to waste our time on one thing. Now you conform, near conform. These are the 2.9k Kevin Taylor saw with the post to show the signal. Now you near best have Bobako so now you're ready echo so because this conversation look at the names Chong Kong Ho, near Manko, Sinkanta, Chinkonchon. Kwasi ya sam kwa na Kevin Taylor. Now you what way the end so no way shadow. Shall we account no? Aha, way shadow. Ha so mu way. Awa that way. We fake viewers in Libya. We fake viewers in Libya. We ofri Peru. Obi ofri Peru. Share the picture. Oye dey kwa Kevin Taylor. On the Jimmy. So the people you told them to create a fake account. Now these same people are watching Kevin Taylor and it is funny. And the funny aspect of it all, and it's a minion and this foreign to me phantom the basis of this understanding I'm a person in a you see, so what Timmy Crab was say, yeah, then Okatakyie and I attacking the same for the record, the fake viewers never know. These same fake viewers near Okatakyie was Okwana go Okatakyie post so now the likes now. Obo say uncle for them say Omudino, only them 1-1. It will be a crowd who back when you score the likes. Do you know why? Because the real viewers need so powerful. And you know, one more we have 3,000 for now, and this is for 2 to food. Or did them to say, and so say, Coco, because the real viewers know I'm not dang. I want for the record show. So it's a more Myra, but Kevin Taylor, Boswa, what you say, one more some more, baby, one more some more, the young from Kakran. They try them say they be when you know, maybe no, so only a fake now halfway out that way be, and then it say, I quit with Philippines. Yan fan so ye Philippines ni, we Mongolia ni. Na yen share another person, remember from Kakra. Na yen share another person. Head the cost of Kevin Taylor account mu. We no mu nyina fake viewers ni bi. Yen ko ye benya amatia mani bia. Ai ko same mani bia ye benya bi. We hwe some vine. Ni din de some vine. Dia wada we ababa we a woton me ko ewo asaribotwa Ghana ni bayi. We see a friend some vine. Ai say some vine wo some vine wo sa de fredo. And these people, this is not Okatakyie's profile, this is Kevin Taylor's profile. And you think that it's coincident again? So people with such names of Mongolia, Philippines, Taiwan, Vietnam, one more Kevin Taylor. Do you think it's sensible? The bigger question that I'm asking is that how many Ghanaians do we have? Doors who are saying Ghana for more Ghana, free Mongolia, Philippines. Now why are we sharing our down for Ben? I see free a Mongolia. To Mongolia for Taiwan for Peru for Nyadiade obu ho crown account no one settle Jamaica and they go assess free Jamaica bo the profile na so be the picture no ne dia eda so no Taiwan din eda so minim da se Jamaica for nyina Taiwan din da wo mo so now me confirm it's getting more interesting me hade wa these are the people who watch Kevin Taylor me hade wa konchonkonia botontonia because I'm a China, but these are the names we are seeing on our screen. Some of them, when you click on their profile, it is so funny. It is so funny. Now look at Sakwawe. Antimuni Wacheba. Wo see a friend say it's too long, say dear. Obia wo picture no change. Who free Taiwan, who free Mongolia. And Kranketin and NDC for pick a woman. And last year, I'm just supposed to say we buy. And then people for female because they are not serious. I don't think they do composition, you know. If they take the information, say they are continuing so serious and Casano more number. They're not serious. Because they can so more to this is science and some K1ng Ghana coming and correct. Maybe catch them say, and this if I employ a you to money you my papa behind you and see phone crabia or me so radical. Or me so dead when it comes to the things that relates to NDC. Won't be so crazy about it. NDC Atadia if poto be the channel. Obey woman NDC regardless of the development. What's a good crew? Sanko for your picking bear 3,000 and creating was a group of more 300 cities every month. Why we be exposed to people who are involved in paying all this money? Sabra Bedoka say Sanko for we yen tax Ghana tax and the baby triomoka. Because my money baby can see it better to market you. It is sad, say you can't say my MPP phone and fund serious. This is are you telling me say wow that way? Wow, when it's hour that way. Say even no free Jamaica crown way dear done so Jamaica for the to say dingly. It is crazy. Vietnam would din done so. It is so free Jamaica crown way a dear done street. That's because Ukraine say Jamaicans their history relates somehow to the people of Akans, and their names you always know it sound Akanish. These are the people that watch Kevin Taylor, and they are changing the topic. Say they are the people watching Okatakyie. Me no can say you can go and verify. Now me say if near baseball so we have 10 years you go from Kakranka. You go click another post and see how this has affected Kevin Taylor on the platform. Because these people who change their names, you know, the moment they changed it, it affects every history they have with Kevin Taylor, Loud Silence Media, with all due respect. So I like it posting in one that they are didn't change you. Just the signal one, it has affected the history into every Kevin Taylor post to be as uncle for we are the beard. When you click on it, you're supposed to get that same Vietnam Mongolia names. No, I say the me go click a past post of Kevin Taylor. Ni has uncle for ye. I mean, muda. Oh my God. Let me muda. So we have people where in the life or the live section of have here. I Kevin Taylor live. I'll have here, but where would I heard the people my like is supposed to be. Everything that we do here in a more professional way, you can't talk right because this platform, you need some penny for sure. It ain't but tonight can't throw the biarada. You know, my screen we go. You be boy run one life you move. So back when it was a post. Life and one amount for and likes no. So where life in the comment section here, you be boy run likes in me around here. Koso Kevin Taylor. Look at what is going on. Just look at the names. It is sad to console. You see, Tronland. These things are sad. This is what they are saying. Say Okatakyie fake news. You see, NDC for. Oh my Jimmy said, and then people for sometimes me blame more. Or be letting me a share post without sharing. And people need to share me on share that. But the radical 3,000 people are yet to come with me beyond. One of them can to discredit the MPP debut on the internet. Obi came me say maybe Okatakyie and said share the video. Okatakyie power but check the history of Ghana the correct. So be a besuade. Obi a one shame the national budget in the BBT come no. At force and cast the finance minister. What me Jenny Jumedi what you as a finance minister. Well no NDC no for the records. Bede bremo camera channel. Via channel. So one for the records. And the betinania can crash Ghana for the beer. It was me. Now here the number of viewers. This kind of viewers from Vietnam, Mongolia, Kevin Taylor, and Yamama. Sand massive views need to fake. Likes need say fake. Sand Jimmy with Jimmy in a Sawatiko. Tim penny for him for attempt to meet 2 men young Gonyaho. Near your mass antiphony be more no more help. What Jimmy politics and when he was saying Asante William and Minian Macam for the Biamabumachi. Asante what tiny MPP move. You see, where Boba no, a Boba no, I can't win. And you better than you can't crash him because the man died tribalism there who's a Asantini account, regardless of the Asantini baby or wow, you tell Yakani. You you know can't you know. And so it's high time. See a big giant tribalism now politicians edited to and tell near who says see a pammy and yan mass and 40 free a young commo diemu say a town and no mamu lose to MPP and no mamu lose to the people of Eastern, Central, Western and no mamu lose Bono East I have and no mamu lose. It's high time some big giants and Quasamono, Adomahine this you know disintegrations way about to Muntemunia Jadia and then Muntema Papaya Mamako position. What they are something what time Mamma Kroma say more and more crew. And the Sunya West. Honorable Millicent, because you brought for air parliament because the people of Sunya West were like, yeah, to Abano MPP, yes, sir, or 2 4 bar saying this is or 2 4, and this is by what I see you 2 4. Let's accept the fact. Say I can't remember you want him for no say a bit somebody be so pa. Say what they are Santa Fu one hit to a bar. One cast I will say with him man one back was him. And then positions you buy her baby a year put to. Tribalism ye ditch positions. And me positions name how. And yes, you didn't be any animal before any animal before. There is no problem with it. But the problem is I didn't know NDC for power be no more petty any animal before in terms of development. The positions that I want development be a map. And you many war. Next year, the hard village air that I want almost a fatal so much to have you mudibia. Pay development. And the NSA will share migration, say, across Ghana. You know, votarians, and the 5 northern regions. Omutu Pine will be our Ghana. You will see them spread across the other regions, especially the account state. Omugu said because Omukromunya. And whom are you supposed to blame? You're supposed to blame the NDC party. So my Ukromusa. Because my to a bam or I'm going to form team yepa, me can so much. Many are no say for team yepa, NDC time. My to a bam for more than 30 years. They don't respect you. Development, Papa be any Mukro. Obi a wo call a voter region bar recently bia any northern region the 5 northern regions you see the amendment a MPP party creating our and nothing na bebre emuanum northness any voters because some say I don't want Jimmy ana I didn't na MPP bar MPP to me create accounts no mpo no ma ye omukuro mu ye eye nuanum sebufo ne angorafo je ye omukuro mu ye amom but at the end of the day development be MPP be amom and so many I to say wo ma Jimmy I to say and this party no here I see development wo mukuro and these are some of the reasons why I'm for transform mo Jimmy wo it's high time I'm beto nyansapa what here make a job what here make a job me say in the next 4 years a long way to come and you know see me phone mo mani all the entities are using you for nothing o me say man karanta ma mo e zongo amamo wo mo dwen say mo de mo fata ne say mo be fetiri mo turu ma hawie mo fata development and then the way be no mo Jimmy just because of hard village the way be no mo say Jimmy. But when it came to the National Cathedral, there were Christians are not more bossy because they told said the Christians no only have more jobs currently. They can't want better was Nyamo Dukremu. As in the National Cathedral, we got Christians and they were bossing the National Cathedral. And here you are saying phone. One would also do many years we been go many years and was. There were a lot of Muslims, so many people for me educated. When them say it's part when they did development, they do everything to let people. And when you see these people, one more me MPP for no me same phone, their life is different. Because NDC for himself want to make fun of them. But one more margin I say more there. No matter what you do for them, no. A NDC party no he has in development. Let me tell you something. It is high time. I be puntu. I call a northern region any voter region. We will not allow these people NDC to take you people for granted. And the saddest thing is upon everything the equals with the man is Kevin Taylor. One more and 3,000 people don't move GB. Can you graduate them more professional? We be exposed to me. I mean, what do you mean think of me radio? It's getting more interesting. Me radio. Aye. Kevin Taylor account. It is sad. This is Kevin Taylor's post and they are leaving it to say so Okatakyie for the record. A fake viewers. Look at the number about 4 point something, that is 4,000 something. 4 point something K. Look at what is going on. Huh? Look at what is going on. Here we are that way. What Chairman said, well, no Ghana need bay or bedasu. I'm in committee kakra na there were no need for Vietnam. Ghana need bay or bedasu. What Chairman said, no need for Vietnam. Answer Tanyang was a D&D, no need for Vietnam, Mongolia, I don't have any problem with it. But why is it that these people are watching Kevin Taylor? Fake viewers, fake likes, fake everything. Kevin Taylor when you was a man for Jawa. Yame and I also because kwasi asem no amanfo say the misinformation no e too much. Akọ da so ye friend tired then akọ ne che obey Taiwan ni. And answer so freeze in the guy who say Vietnam was Mongolia. I heard then the dean way done. So why are their names like this under Kevin Taylor's post? So we'll be sure we won't answer some American. The bigger question to this mission is and say, I didn't think I will be paying the dean say, no Kevin Taylor. Hey mission. Be what you move. You be what you move by force, won't be a crab way baby. It is sad. And this is the people who Kevin Taylor is saying so much Okatakyie. And at the end of the day, and then the end was here, when we say NDC4, phobia, or fake names on social media. Apart from say a woman, you say, fake viewers are yet talk. I'm on this happening. You won't call for NDC4 employer more master as a sound to discredit people. When I say, all right, the pet, all drug gun attention, a moment with the crepe. Near the somewhere we have a joke was a comment and go video. On the summer just top fake viewers as well. Hey, on the highest tomboy, on the highest tomboy has January. Kevin Taylor, what the highest tomboy? Now, my father go chat. She will be sharing free Vietnam. Dear. When we hear stop, hey, Kevin Taylor boys. And this in the trial about 3,000 people. Maybe can't say we almost a year. And before, whom found come serious. Yet now on this platform, you be a woman who couldn't send your tear because Ghana dear. I'm just a Ghana for a shock. These are the people who watch Kevin Taylor. Now I'm here from Accra. If you are a better yes, I verify the platform I had here. Now when we say Kevin Taylor home commander, don't make those sassy free ho. But mess out what costro. And think Komobi our more comfort Okatakyie will be so Okatakyie you should fake viewers. And yeah, they're the these are the people who watch a Kevin Taylor. Yeah, put the ways we fake viewers in Libya. These are the people. I catch them say fake viewers, more fake viewers. Who fake viewers are a computer. And who fake viewers and nipa that's a nipa what is anything. And these people, when you go to a Okatakyie's platform, you will not see them that much because a organic views in Okatakyie. You can go and verify the differences. Yes, so you must. Kevin Taylor, you a fake viewers and a cost on the platform in here. They say cost. When we said this is with all due respect, Loud Silence Media on one platform at the HQ called the BBR. If you ever have now, you can't create. I'm a BBR so to me come up. Ghana, we are past that. See a bit dice and quashafo. We are more discredited Ghana. Woman, but so much chili pa. Nyansa. We passed that. Yent now. And people 40 years mute sa no opposition. Who video no cry no say every cry no miracle abuaje kasama MPP. Cry won't share. No muti to ho. Want to come home fan carry responsibility ho. Because Ghana ni nyina na build. Ye nyina nim for na ngafo de bia make am say NDC for mpem wasem. Omo tam. Ti na bebre dwen se mabodam no. Go di ntina wo mo mamu development bia be de bia auto abama no. Obo ho timi hwam so say na go for ma jimi ana. With disrespect I bebre de mamu is because of the NDC. Wise up. Kevin Taylor about Ghana that's here why good kitu ebitu the come and also a video bi obesha sa chi na aboa bi. You understand? You better na anya kind of crash. Debia a war tax and I was this is to crow. When you ni when you say money to abapa 4 years is a long way to go and we have a lot of things to do. I may kind of crash say si why do you pin ne say a voter regime and not regime benya into my pefra. We are supposed to clear tribalism. Since the MPP are who see a tribalism party. Woman, your tribalism party, Etikremuni, Asantini, Obia, Eddie party, no, and you edda. What I say, the one the party anymore than any vice be man and a high position be MPP for Edman. Or make a can say a MPP party in person before Assam or more Martini made the president to that. No, you see the odds. They started everything from where the vice president position and yet the man vice. Vice news how did he go pay with the Baobia by? Today, Madame Samaka. NDC party come no ko baba kwasem mu yesu system fo we nyina ba mo ba no masa sabotage wo mo enu ntina mpanimfo kuku dam no mo NDC party no omo ye enkofo a wo mo nye eyesimfo they control the party to tell the NDC party say hey mo ma be ye do aba wo ye tani ne ye do aba be duntimi mbo awokrom obesisi aso na mo mo afetro mu tu ahwe mu aye fine but development party e duntimi ko da NDC party the security wo bro e scam to disrespect the people of the north and the voter region. They don't respect you. Be no crutch. And I'm going to go Okatakyie because all kind of cry. Actually, you are say before. You are not for. So it's high time they have to fight for a development. Me sure so you must show. The fake viewers won't come on our team. And you Okatakyie. I want one kasa akwa that's way. Kevin Taylor what one fake viewers no and I humbly repeat myself. See better na near canokre achieve debia debia. So viewers so much Okatakyie a fake ya. Naka me buze wasebo. Nanka ato force. Ato forcing. Share a year for the record. Kasi ato forcing. And that how I enjoy for the record of pass you. Also many can about the catch him. What I said, I was so prepare budget. Now with Gina a year for the record. So enjoy with a verified page. What I said, I catch on us. It kasi ato forcing or you fake that. Well, da say kasi ato forcing. And I could you tell black one. And I say Mahama. And I say see dunketia. Ejina Kevin Taylor with all due respect and so ehwebia now because omo when so your boy almost money be dim kwasa so before be mount on the platform hodo omunim the oba be kenya omo na asoma no to mbeti na ide what I say and on the mission so enya omo na asoma no so omunim say akwa awa be o me kenya asem bia da wabeka nkwase asem etie de ye da ase wonu oba be kan nkwase asem na me nya vote ye kwa he nya asem you see the NDC for them say nya asem bia ni Kevin Taylor post bia you are watching Okatakyie Afrifa. You're watching Okatakyie in a more professional way. And even on my software cry, I want more president bia NDC ebeba power one more crampon so joy I DJ Gazy one on a ball as you hold in DJ Gazy and a ball as you hold in a more professional way. DJ Gazy is watching in a more professional way. VAR a chill bia was you. And yes, I'm on for us so more exposed to crank bia that could Chimahama no so enjoy. What I say, but on him say VAR none what day. This is a woman in the fake account. And I show Okatakyie Afrifa. We are here to prove to you, say the most tangible, credible, sourced platform in terms of a document to prove the Okabia. Currently, there, say we Okatakyie Afrifa if you were the K1ng Ghana, and I was say back can the actually we are be boy to the reason we na boy to my Ghana because almost pe Ghana ye. What I say, and your support is a must. Say be a Ghana ever found into my pam. And so if I matter say. Lawyɛr Maurice Ampaw edin se bia ba betuda wabebo Kevin Taylor duane ade we go ahead this we are summarize today's video na meja wo na bibia so etime kama ye go tie Lawyɛr Ampaw
koso Kevin Taylor ni Okatakyie Okatakyie that guy is gifted
yeah
nyame ne pejano nyame di Okatakyie aba say on be break Captain Smart any Kevin Taylor kwasi nyame mo ye media no I tell the DNA say no bring journalism down no
good journalism anymore
nyame ne me na aso nyame asano wo nimri nie enti Kevin Taylor ne Captain Smart ne bo amomo nia no mumni atwemu say no the new king the new journalist are no we fe o say Captain Smart on the akokra boy oni baby Captain Smart wa yakokra they say what we say they are empty. Enti no me Lawyɛr Ampaw baby we finna say Okatakyie wono me man 10,000 Ghana.
Yeah.
Me man 10,000 Ghana. Say me donate amano. Say on fanto doko me boa. Yeah program no. Yeah donate ama we finna say Okatakyie 10,000 Ghana for doko. Fato na fato mo so da. Traka bitela so sa da Okatakyie. Traka bitela pompem. O dey say na traka bit smart no enne una ye hwe. O dey say mu be ya support. We come to journalism. I can say more journalism there. What traka bitela so. What traka bit smart so. Boy ma dey ye funu to say ban. Sa boy no ye funu. Sa boy the boy ma no. On so make sure the because no mama appoint sa boy no woman appointment ta. If from akwa no be ko yi wo. Sa boy no. And then be this should be this because most this until the mo yeah mo the winning power no ye say that can done am ko ye it is say Chief fan na nyame ni mre nie 4 years no na mama betra na ode no kware no ode asempa efifa ode asempa na bo efifa Okatakyie ode asempa na bo Debe eiii na Okatakyie eiii 24 the Kevin Taylor ebe man Kevin Taylor dey nyame na etraneka because we etraneka bako
nyame na etraneka because we etraneka bako so that is Maurice Ampaw. I don't know it's way they say what idea in currently all over the ether when it comes to Okatakyie buying a fake viewers and no correct what does matter how much papa and we don't wait for me to tell you say you have to share this video. Now for 3,000 if you come to encounter a man on question somebody because the whole Ghana is watching for the records and King Ghana for the records. How many? The one that Ukraine in our open 7 months King Ghana, a part 1. For the records, a part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Okay, where you man? When I came here, my crown, we message you on this video.
K1ng, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the star also the other tribe and flow. Unyi sorted, India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know say I commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we need maybe our question free debate. It's all good. We are the K1ng modern K1ng what tribe